Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable email notifications from Facebook. So let's get started. First, click on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, you're going to scroll down and click on Notifications. Then you're going to scroll down again and click on Email. From here, click on Email Frequency, then set it to Required Notifications. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.